Good morning, TL Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. For those of you who might be new here, welcome to the family. Right now we are at the end of a little bit of a foodie mini-series, so if you have not been privy to what we've been doing up until now, this might seem like a little out of place, but have no fear, travel content starts again in the new year. But in the meantime, I'm just vlogging for you guys today, and because I have had so many weeks of eating from different menus and preparing very specific recipes every single day, today I decided that it would be fun to just eat whatever I want. Whenever I crave it, whenever I want it, I'm gonna eat everything that I want to eat. So if you've not already hit that subscribe button, definitely do it. Maybe not based on this video, but you know, because you love to travel. And yeah, I'm just starting my day right now with vanilla iced coffee because I don't know, am I the only person who continues to drink iced coffee like in the winter? Sometimes I literally will like wake up freezing cold, put on the fire and have an iced coffee. And then I also have fried potatoes with some onion and mushrooms and an egg, which is really my like classic breakfast. That's usually what I have for breakfast when I have not been on this challenge. But like day one, back in the swing of things, I want my old faithful. So I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast, and then the plan for today is to get my hair did. It is long. I don't know if I'm gonna cut it at all. Look how, holy cow, look how long that's gotten. I'm not sure if I'm going to get it cut too short. I might just get it trimmed, but we're gonna like lighten it up and maybe, you know, make it a little more winter friendly. I guess it's very warm right now for summer, but I think I wanna shake it up a little bit, so we'll see. And the salon that I go to has like sweets and drinks and things included, so it's perfect timing for me to eat and drink whatever I want.
Today are double chocolate peppermint patty cookies. Yeah, they're really good. They have like
do I even need to hear salty?
No.
Coffee and Bailey's and a brownie cookie at the hair salon. After my own heart.
Thousand years later.
Okay, you guys, so as you can see, I got my hair done. Not a huge change from what I already had. She just like cooled down the sort of like low lights to more of a brown from the caramel that was in there, and then went a little more silvery on the blonde. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm loving it. It's a little bit messy at the moment because after my hair appointment, I also went to the wellness center for my massage, which you might be thinking, oh, that's so lovely and relaxing. But it's actually the like deep tissue massage that goes hand in hand with my chiro from my car accident. So it is painful. It is so painful. I'm usually the type of person who could like fall asleep in a massage. There would be no way. So I just got out of my massage. I'm a little bit hurting, but I did just hear from my girlfriend Carmen. She's coming with us to Costa Rica, and she wants to go out and grab some food. So in the theme of the day, I'm gonna go and just treat myself to food out. We haven't decided exactly where we're going yet, and I have a little bit of time, so I think I'm gonna grab a coffee. Yes, I know, another coffee for the day. Don't judge me, but apparently coffee is what I crave, and today I am denying myself none of the things that I want. So one of the things that I actually learned along this journey was really that I don't have quite the great relationship with food that I thought that I did. And so I think I'm gonna try and work a little bit on my like intuitive eating and the intuitive eating side of things. I know that intuitive eating isn't like the perfect solution for a lot of people, depending on your personality type and like your personal relationship with food. I do feel like it is kind of a healthier solution for me. Obviously today, just eating and drinking whatever I want is not exactly the solution, but yeah, just like getting back to the wrap up that this video is supposed to be. Sorry, I thought I had a little bit of something on my face there. Yeah, I think one of the things that I'm going to take out of this whole experience is that I don't necessarily have the healthiest relationship with food in the way that I thought that I did. There is room for improvement, and that improvement is that I might, yeah, just like venture into researching a little bit more about the intuitive eating thing and trying to incorporate that into my life and my lifestyle. So, onward to coffee.
Hi, good afternoon, ma'am. Take your order.
Hi, do you guys have the white hot chocolate?
Yeah, we do. Inside.
Can I just get a small white hot chocolate with a shot of peppermint?
So you want the candy cane or no?
Oh, sure, yeah.
And whipped topping would be okay for you?
No whipped topping, please.
Okay. Anything else?
No, that's everything.
Okay, it's gonna be $2.40.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good one. So in the spirit of Christmas, I have a candy cane hot chocolate with no whipped topping. I usually just ask for white hot chocolate with peppermint, but I guess candy cane is the thing, so I don't know if it'll taste any different. Yep. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, folks.
6.5 hours later.
So, I am home now. Holy, the static situation on this hair right now. It's a real problem. Sorry about that. Dinner was freaking delicious. The light in there was super, super low. It was much more of a romantic setting than I expected, but food was so good. One thing that I did find throughout doing this challenge was that depending on the diet that I was on, it was a little bit more difficult to go out and socialize with friends and enjoy like dinners out, just because if they weren't on the same diet as me, it was really sometimes just difficult to find the things that I needed. So when it came to eating out during this challenge, most of the time I just tried my best to find places that either had like a really diverse menu so that I could find at least one thing on it that I could eat, or I would have to find a menu that was like specific to the culture that I was eating. So like, for example, when I was doing the Japanese diet, I would have to go to a Japanese restaurant, you know, in order for it to work. So yeah, not being on like a strict diet right now for like the first time in a little bit, it was nice. We could just go get whatever we wanted. And now I'm home enjoying a glass of wine. So quick recap from the series, because this really is like the closing episode before we get out on the road and head to Costa Rica. I did have a lot of fun doing this challenge, and I learned a lot about healthy eating. A couple of trends that I just wanted to point out to you guys from the healthiest diets in the world, quote unquote, was really just a few things that I noticed throughout all of the more healthy diets, obviously not the fad diets. But what it really came down to in the healthiest diets in the world was portion sizes was a big one. Monitoring your portion sizes, eating until you're 80% full so that you don't overeat. Eating local and organic was a really big trend, even if it wasn't like completely local and completely organic. Just like the majority of your food being local and organic was a trend that I found even in a lot of the diets that I was researching but didn't end up doing. Like the Mediterranean diet was another one. Well, obviously there's just, yeah, a ton. And then when it came down to the fad diets, the werewolf diet or the lunar diet and the baby food diet were like the two that I sort of researched the most and like, you know, ventured into. So if you didn't see either of those videos, I will be sure to link them. But really all I learned through the challenge when it came to fad diets was that A, they don't work, they're not sustainable. I mean, that's nothing new, it's not a new fact, obviously. We all knew that already. And B is that people will do a lot of crazy things to lose weight in a, let's say, lazy way. if the French paradox taught me anything, aside from obviously that I need to kind of work on my relationship with food a little bit more, but yeah, if that diet taught me anything, it's that a lot of it comes down to lifestyle as well. So as the new year is about to kick off, I am hoping to try and eat a little more intuitively, listen to my body, and B, well, organic, local, try and incorporate that a lot more into my diet, and C, just keep an eye on my lifestyle and make sure that I am living a active lifestyle that promotes, you know, feeling healthy and being healthy. And then if I want to treat myself every now and then, I can do it completely guilt-free. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that you guys enjoyed this little foodie series over the holidays. Obviously, food isn't something that we focus on this channel all of the time, but I do try and integrate it into my travel videos whenever I can, because I too am a foodie at heart. So if you're a foodie at heart, be sure to hit that like button. And if you love travel content, be sure to hit that subscribe button, because we are heading off to Costa Rica at the very start of the year, and you are not going to want to miss what we get up to there. It is absolutely amazing. So many things in store for you. And then, yeah, the travels just continue onwards and onwards and onwards from there. So yeah, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell if you want to be notified Thursdays and Sundays when we upload our videos. And until I see you next, stay great, travel safe. Happy holidays, happy New Year's, Merry Christmas, whatever it is that you celebrate. And yeah, see you in my next one. Bye guys.